To request a space in Illinois Compass 2G, you need to first log into the request tool with your NetID. Once you have logged in, the next step is to choose your space type. For a registrar-affiliated course, you can use the default option, then scroll down and click on the next button near the bottom of the page. On this screen, you will enter the NetID of the space owner. Notice the space requester's NetID is already populated. If you're ordering a space for someone other than yourself, add their NetID to the space owner text box in place of your own. Then use the pull-down menus to select the start and end terms for your course. I'm just going to pause here for a minute while the tool resets. On this screen, you will select which course roster that you want to add to your course space. You may see a list of suggested course rosters. This is based on the space owner's NetID. In this case, you can select the rosters from the suggested list and click on the Add to Rosters button at the bottom of the list. If the rosters you are looking for are not listed, scroll down to the Search Course Rosters section and add your roster information, then click on the Search button. You may see a Class Rosters Unavailable page. In this case, simply click on the Retry button and a list of rosters should appear. From the list of available options, select the checkbox for each of the rosters you want loaded into the course space, and then click on the Add to Selected Rosters button at the bottom of the list. If you need to search for additional rosters, you can repeat the process and select any additional rosters to add to your course space. The rosters you have selected to be loaded into the course will be listed at the bottom of this page. Once you are certain you have selected all the appropriate rosters, click on the Next button. If necessary, you can edit the name of your course using the course title and section boxes here. Be sure to verify the information entered is accurate, then click on Next. On this screen, you will choose whether or not you would like to copy existing content from another Illinois Compass course. By using the default selection, your new space will be created without any copied content. To choose a course to copy content from, select the I want to move existing course content option, then click on Next. On this screen, you will search for the content you would like to copy into your new course space. You can search by space owner, space title, and use the pull-down menus to select other options. You do not have to use every option. You will get the best results by combining 2 or 3 options, such as you do not have to use every option. You will get the best search results by 3, 2, 1. You do not have to use every option. You will get the best search results by combining 2 or 3 options, such as space owner and space type. You can use the registrar-affiliated courses section to search for a specific course by rubric and term. Once you have entered the appropriate information, click on the Search button and a list of results should appear. Select one course from the search results to be copied into your new space. The list may contain both traditional Compass as well as Compass 2G courses. If the course you want to copy isn't listed, you can continue to refine your search with the text boxes and pull-down menus above. Once you have selected the course you would like to copy into your new space, click on the Next button at the bottom of the page. On this screen, you can enter any additional instructions pertaining to your space request. Click on the radial button next to Yes, I want to include special instructions, and the text box will appear. Use this text box only if your space request needs additional attention. Any information entered into the text box will interrupt the automated space request process, causing a delay in the creation of your space. Read the terms of use and click on I accept and then the next button to review the details of your request before you finalize your submission. On this screen, you will finalize and submit your course request. First, be sure to review the details of your request and click on any item that needs changing. Once you are certain the information is accurate, click on Submit to begin the automated creation process. Unless you have included special instructions, your new Illinois Compass 2G space should be available within a couple hours. Both the space owner and the space requester will be notified by email that the request was received, and again once the space has been created. This screen verifies that your request was submitted successfully. Notice your request has been assigned a specific request number. You should receive an email shortly confirming that the request was received. The email will contain the terms of use you agreed to, as well as your space request number. You should save this email in case you need to refer back to this information at a later time. Notice the request status link at the bottom of the page. Use this link to view the status of your current space requests. For information about checking the status of your requests, please view the video titled Using the Space Request Admin Tool.